Hi everybody, it's me Jamie of Jamie's Hooked. So I haven't done one of these in a while. I'm going to do a finished object video. And I have a little box down here that's full of finished objects. Not full, but it's got quite a few. Um, so some things that I've been really heavily working on. These are actually gifts for Christmas and never did get to send them off just yet. I know it's terrible that it's already so late, but like plans got changed like a lot, like twice over. So I kept forgetting to make videos for these things. So I was like, before I ship them out, um, I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick video before I, take the time and ship them out. And so let me show these to you. Okay, I'm very proud of these things. All right. Okay, so number one, um, I made this cute slouchy beanie, and I it's for the Golden State Warriors, and this person really loves this team. And then when I'm looking straight on at this patch, it looks green to me. But if you turn it to the side, it's got a blue cast, so it kind of goes with this blue. And I looked up the colors online, and it said it was like royal blue, which is like this, and then, you know, white and gold. But I think it turned out great. I ordered the patch off at Amazon, and I glued it on with this um, Aleene's permanent fabric glue. Now I did try to iron it on, didn't work. Not for me. So I had to, break out the big guns and glue it on. But I think this person will love this. I hope they do. Okay, the second thing is I made, and I still need to weave in an end, and I totally forgot about it, but I got to weave in this end. But it is um, a, a bun beanie, and this person's got a lot of hair, and I know this person really likes this color red. Likes color red, so I made this really pretty puff stitch bun beanie. This is a pattern from darn it, I can't remember who it is. It's called the Claire Bun Beanie. And I can't remember who made it. But I will put the information down into the description box. And so but this was really easy to make. It's really nice. I'm probably going to make a whole bunch of these. But it's a nice texture, very easy to make, very easy instructions. This person even has, this blogger even has a blog and a YouTube um, channel. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so there's that one. And I thought this turned out super cute. Okay. This one I'm really proud of because I tried my hand at doing color work. And look at that. I actually got this idea from another pattern I found on Pinterest. Let me see if I can get it straight. Um, So it's technically, this hat really is supposed to have like horns coming out on the side and some ears, like a Texas Longhorn, because this is for UT Texas team, the Longhorns, and um, and this is their color, which is almost like a burnt orange and like almost like a off-white kind of color. Um, but I didn't put the horns in there because I wasn't sure what kind of person this person is, if they would really kind of find the horns fun or not. So I just kind of left the horns off. But I really like this. It's challenged me in a lot of ways. The stitch I used here for the lettering, I actually used the waistcoat stitch, and I think it worked out really well. They were just using single crochet. I did the waistcoat stitch, which kind of gave it a little bit more of a definition. It just, in my impression, it just worked out better. But I found this pattern on Ravelry, not Ravelry, I'm sorry, Pinterest. And I will probably link this information down below for this particular pattern. But it really kind of opened up doors and possibilities for me to actually attempt to do color work in crochet, so which has been a challenge for me. So I really challenged myself doing this, and it really wasn't that difficult. So I'm really proud of this hat. So I hope they like it. Okay, and now this was my favorite piece. Um, so so much I love this person. I actually did it in black yarn, but I don't know if you can tell it, but it's a cowl. Let me see it into some light here. It's a cowl. There we go. Okay, this is super cute. Let's see. Do I have that magazine handy? I might. Okay, yeah. So I picked up this magazine from Kroger's, and it is Crochet Magazine. Just Crochet Magazine presents 70 plus crochet gifts in 1, 2, 3. So, but anyway, um, this, let me show you how it's called the Raspberry Cowl, and I already got it messed up, so I'm going to show you this picture. But I messed up the magazine already. I was traveling with it and it got wet. But this is what it looks like right here. Okay, you can see I already got like a little damage right up in here, but I thought this was a cute cowl. Okay, and this is what the picture is on the other side. Okay, beautiful color, but she really loves black. And so I was like, oh, because I love you, I'm going to make this in black. And it really wasn't that difficult, even though, I mean, like, I'm blind, okay? So seeing things is just not easy. And this took me a while because of the fact that it was black. But I love her so much, so I made it for her. But there it is. And then I also went up a hook size because we're kind of relatively the same size. So I figured, like, in the picture, the chick, the model, she's a little bit skinny. Okay, I'm not as skinny. I'm a slightly girthy. I'm a girthy girl. So I figured this might work out, and I'm glad I did because I did try it on. And actually, I'm going to try it on right now. Let's see, where's the back? But I really do like this pattern, and I would love to try it out with some other yarns. Right there it is in the back. Okay. Try it on. Show you guys. So, this is kind of like how she had it. And I like the idea that, it kind of fits over the shoulder like this. And you can, like, fold it down like this. And it's warm. Oh, it's really warm. And I like that because I like the fact that it goes over the shoulder. Because where she lives in a warm climate. She does get some cooler weather, but she doesn't get, like, I get way more cooler weather than she ever does. But this would be something that she can put over, like, over a long sleeve t-shirt or, like, just a light shirt, something just to keep her shoulders warm. Like maybe she's just, going out to the car and going someplace really quick. This will give her arms, freedom, so I really thought this turned out super cute. I'm going to make one. I want to make one. Will I make one for myself? Most likely not. But it was really cute. Turned out well. I hope she likes it. So those are those things. Now, before I even started any of that, I got in like this. I started making some amigurumis from some of these amigurumi kits I got from Darn Good Yarn. They had them on sale, so I bought a whole bunch of them. So I actually did make one. So this was the kit, just a little frog, and I actually did make a frog. And he's just like the picture. See? Hold on, I'm gonna get in frame here. You are. See? He turned out cute. And I did put a little gleam in his eye right there, But I think he needed a gleam. He just needed it, So I had a little extra yarn. So he turned out quite well. You know, this is definitely a learning process. I've never really done amigurumi much. Um, but Aggie turned out really cute. And there was enough yarn in there to start another frog. Now, maybe not a complete a frog, but to start a frog. So I have about like what 4 or 5 of these kits, at least 3. I think I have 4 or 5, but at 4 or 5 of these kits, there is enough from probably from all the other kits to complete a whole nother frog. So when I purchased several of these, I'm like, I can probably take advantage of this excess yarn and stuffing and make a whole nother frog. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Let's see here. It's my hook. So in the kit, I already started making another frog. So I used up the older yarn first and then moved on to... So I've already got his head made. See, I already got the head made. I already got some of the eyes. So it's like an eye right there. What else did I make in here already? It's been... I had to put it down for a little while because of the Christmas holiday. But, you know, yeah, I've already got the head and eye, and, you know, they're really not hard to make. They actually are pretty quick make, you know, because they're not that big, and it's really not terribly complex. So, you know, that is kind of a work in progress, but, yeah, it's a cute little guy. You know, maybe I'll sell him one day. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm thinking that I can take this pattern that I get from them and I could just use it on a bigger yarn, like maybe blanket yarn, and make a bigger frog. And I think that would work out really, really well. You know, or just use, you know, just go down like a couple hook sizes and just use a bigger yarn. It will make it really, really tight. I think he would make a cute plushie made out of blanket yarn. I don't know. What do you think? Anyway, well, that's kind of what I've been doing lately. For that, you know, I've got more stuff that I've been using, been doing. So I've been really trying to get my crochet business up and going. I'm following the Crochetpreneur program. I actually had to put it aside for a few weeks due to the holidays, etc. But I really, really need to really just hunker down, just get in there and just do it. That's my plan. And you know, I think I can do this, and I think I have the capability. I have to have confidence in myself, and so, you know, I really like this program. I think this really, really works out for me. So I really hope that you guys will join me on my journey to do this. You know, so anyway, I appreciate you for taking your time and watching. And remember, everything that you do it with love in your heart. Um, you know, even though you don't expect anything in return, just do it with love in your heart. And that's what matters. And, you know, do it with good intentions. And then I guess I will see you or talk to y'all later. And ta-ta for now. Bye.